India has reported the world's highest single-day tally of COVID-19 cases on Thursday, with over 300,000 new daily cases. Hospitals across northern and western India said they were in crisis and running out of oxygen. More than two-thirds of hospitals had no vacant beds, according to the Delhi's government's online database. This man said the hospital refused to admit his son because there's no oxygen and no beds. India's total reported cases are now at over 15 million, with the death toll reaching nearly 185,000, according to the latest health ministry data. Varsha Verma has arranged free ambulance services in Uttar Pradesh to carry the bodies of poor COVID-19 patients whose families cannot bear the expense. But as grieving relatives arrive at crematoriums, they have to wait for their turn to say their final farewells. Some crematoriums in the country said metal parts of the furnaces have begun to melt because they have been running for too long without a break. India has launched a vaccination drive, but only a tiny fraction of the population has had the shot. Health experts say the country won't have enough for the 600 million over 18-year-olds eligible, adding that India had let its guard down when the pandemic seemed to be under control during the winter, and that the new virus variants, in particular a double mutant that originated in the country, are largely responsible for the spike in cases. In recent weeks, the government has been criticized for holding local elections and large religious festivals. This week, Prime Minister Narendra Modi insisted that state governments should use lockdowns as a last resort, and promised the government was working to increase the supply of oxygen and vaccines.